Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Rose. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave me a like down below. And today I am heading to go do my hair. I'm getting partial tape-ins. This is my first time getting tape-ins and I'm kind of scared because I don't know, a lot of people say it rips your hair out, but I've been watching a ton of hairstylists like Janae Mickles on YouTube, and there's other YouTubers that have gotten tape-ins, and they said that as long as you take care of them and remove them the proper way, then no hair should come out. But I'm getting partial tape-ins because I just want some length and volume added to my hair. The girl that's doing my hair, she used to do sew-ins, but she said that she stopped doing them for now. So I just opted out to just get tape-ins because I just want to get my hair done. Y'all know when y'all have your hair done, you look good, you feel better, you feel like that girl. So anyways, I'm about to head in there. My appointment is at 5. It's 4:42, and yeah, let's see how it comes out. I'm so excited, y'all. I want to start getting my hair done more often because I'm tired of wearing these buns, y'all. These buns are, I don't know, but this is my hair before and y'all see that after. I don't know if I'm gonna film in there because it's my first time meeting her, but on her website it does say that she films for like TikToks, YouTubes and stuff like that, so I'll see what she says. So check back in with y'all later. Y'all, so I'm in underneath the dryer right now. She just put a hydration treatment in my hair for about 15 minutes, and it's like a steam going on. And she did wash my hair and condition it and then put underneath the dryer, which is real good because most hairstylists don't even wash your hair anymore included in your installs, but she does. So yeah, I'm so excited. Real excited.
I'm like, how do y'all got time to sit down and filter? That's why I don't take pictures. I know y'all like to get that little cut.
A little cut.
Yeah. Yeah. There's my ooh.
But I need this trim anyway, so cut all you can.
Yes,
It'll grow back in about 3.5 seconds.
No, for real, it really will. It definitely will.
It'll be growing back, you know?
That's the point. That's the whole point of a trim.
Hopefully, you know, these tape ends don't make me want to come back and get them removed.
Oh, shouldn't. I was about to say, hopefully don't make me want to come back and get no more. I was expecting you to say that. That shouldn't be bad.
No, I don't have you on there. I'm just getting my hair.
Okay.
Here he is. Her.
Her.
Yeah. Can't nobody tell me nothing.
Period. Period, poo.
I'm that girl. His hair got me looking like a new woman.
As it should.
Her. You did that. You did the fuck that. Yes. Bet you I can't even get my own hair like this after. Watch.
Girl, I hope so. You got to get a tutorial.
The tutorial. You're laying it out. Yes, honey. Fur. Get my hair done more often. I might pull a couple more numbers, you know?
Right.
Just kidding. I'm just kidding.
That part.
Just kidding. Yes. Y'all, look at my hair. Oh my goodness. Looks so good. Wait. Tell me nothing. Can't tell me nothing. Yes, honey. Not me and my pimples, but hey. Like, look at my hair. All right, y'all, so I'm home now. Finally made it home. I had to make a pit stop at Publix to get like some avocado and some other stuff, some more kombucha. But the curls already dropped. I already knew it was gonna drop because they never last anyways. But I like it like this anyways. I like when it's like a loose curl like this. And I'm so happy because this is exactly what I wanted for my hair, side part, partial tape-ins. She was like the fastest hairstylist I ever went to. Granted, my hair was already relaxed, so it wasn't that much work for her to do, but she did wash my hair, condition it, and then gave me like a hydration treatment. And I love a hairstylist that also treats your hair while doing it as well. It's like, if I'm paying a lot of money, then you definitely should be treating my hair. But she told me that I can come in every 4 weeks for maintenance, but I can wash my hair myself because I do go to the gym, which is why I picked tape-ins, because I want access to my scalp. I want to be able to still wash my hair in between maintenance and still be able to work out. I can put my hair in a ponytail for the gym. She placed the tape-in strategically so that I can put my hair in a ponytail so that when I go to the gym, it's like seamless and flat. And she had told me no oil on my scalp, no conditioner on my scalp, just condition my hair and shampoo my hair when I washed it, and then make sure when I'm blow drying and flat ironing or whatever I'm doing that I make sure I get the roots and that I am brushing my hair every day just to avoid like the tape-ins from, you know, messing up or getting caught to my actual hair. But over time, she said that tape-ins can actually grow your hair out. So I'm so excited. Anyways, I'm about to go to sleep, and this is what my hair looks like. I look like a new woman. I look like a new woman, and yeah, I'll see you on my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out.